Hello, everyone. Today, I want to discuss something that affects millions of us: social media addiction. We'll explore the science behind why we can't put our phones down, how endless scrolling is impacting our lives, mental health, and productivity. And most importantly, I'll share practical strategies to help you break free and regain control. If you're here to improve your English while also transforming your life, you've come to the right place. This channel isn't just about language learning, it's about helping you become the best version of yourself. We share valuable insights, real-life lessons, and actionable information to help you grow every single day. So, hit that subscribe button and watch your life change. The shocking reality of our phone usage. Let me start with some eye-opening statistics. Research shows that the average person touches their phone an incredible 2,617 times per day. That means we're reaching for our devices every few seconds. Even more alarming is that people spend an average of 7 hours daily staring at their screens. Let's look at how this breaks down by country. United States, 7 to 8 hours daily. India, 7.5 hours on social media and online content. Bangladesh, nearly 6.5 hours per day. Canada, over 6-7 hours daily. Pakistan, more than 7 hours per day. South Korea, a staggering 8 hours daily. Now, think about what happens when you lose 7 hours every day to your phone. People spend this time mindlessly scrolling through Instagram, getting lost in TikTok videos, binge-watching YouTube content, or streaming endless episodes on Netflix. The hidden cost of constant scrolling. But have you considered what this constant phone use is really costing you? Let me paint a picture. Your academic performance suffers because you can't concentrate for extended periods. Your career prospects diminish as your productivity plummets. Those hobbies you once loved, they've disappeared entirely. You might not even remember what brought you joy. Your dreams and aspirations take a back seat to whatever's trending online. If you're an entrepreneur, your business struggles because you're constantly distracted. Your attention span shrinks, and your mental strength weakens with each mindless scroll. Here's a simple test. Can you go just 1 hour without your phone? For many people, the answer is a resounding no. Remove their device and watch them become frustrated, anxious, and even angry. This isn't normal behavior. This is addiction. People carry their phones everywhere, even to the bathroom. They check notifications before brushing their teeth in the morning. They forget about healthy lifestyles, meaningful vacations, personal passions, and quality family time. The science behind social media addiction. Here's the most startling truth. Scientists have found that social media addiction operates similarly to substance abuse involving drugs, alcohol, cigarettes, and gambling. This isn't just an opinion, it's scientifically proven. Just as someone struggling with substance abuse craves their next fix, social media users desperately await their next notification. Like gambling, which traps people in endless cycles, social media keeps us scrolling indefinitely. And just as alcohol alters brain chemistry, social media fundamentally changes our brain's reward system. The pattern is predictable. You open your phone, start scrolling, feel a momentary rush of pleasure, and continue scrolling. Minutes transform into hours, and before you realize it, half your day has vanished. This is social media addiction in action. It's stealing your time, draining your energy, and hijacking your life. Even celebrities struggle. This problem affects everyone, including celebrities, billionaires, and highly successful individuals. Take Tom Holland, the famous Spider-Man actor who openly admitted to being completely obsessed with social media. He described constantly checking his phone after posting content, anxiously monitoring likes and comments. This behavior made him feel insecure and anxious. Eventually, he deleted social media apps from his phone because he recognized how negatively they were affecting his mental health. Why we get hooked. The comparison trap. So why does this happen? Why do we become addicted to these platforms? When you open Instagram, what do you see? Someone posting glamorous vacation photos from Paris, another person showing off their brand new car. perfect relationship pictures, celebration posts about major achievements. What's your natural reaction? You start comparing your life to theirs. Why am I traveling to exotic places? Why don't I have a luxury car? Why isn't my relationship picture perfect? Why haven't I achieved that level of success yet? These comparisons make you feel inadequate about your own life. But here's the crucial truth. Social media presents a completely fabricated reality. People only share their highlight reels, never their struggles. They use filters to make everything appear flawless. Even celebrities heavily edit their photos to look more attractive. Your brain, however, doesn't understand this deception. It believes what it sees. That's why you feel like your life isn't measuring up. When you feel bad, what do? You scroll more, searching for additional content, entertainment, and distraction. This is where the real problem begins. Understanding dopamine addiction. Let me ask you something. Can you watch a 30-minute educational video without getting bored? Most people can't. Yet, they can easily consume 30 one-minute videos back to back. Why? The answer is dopamine. Dopamine is a brain chemical that creates feelings of pleasure and satisfaction. It's released when you eat your favorite food, accomplish a goal, or receive likes and comments on your posts. Social media platforms have learned to exploit this system. They provide small, instant rewards repeatedly. One notification triggers a dopamine boost. One new like creates another boost. One new comment generates yet another boost. Every scroll delivers a small hit of this feel-good chemical. Just like someone with a substance addiction needs increasingly larger doses to feel good, you need more scrolling, more videos, and more likes to achieve the same satisfaction. Research shows that social media is deliberately designed to be as addictive as gambling. When you pull down to refresh your feed, your brain reacts exactly like a gambler pulling a slot machine lever. You never know what's coming next, and that uncertainty keeps you hooked. Why good habits are hard and bad habits are easy. This explains why we don't become addicted to studying, exercising, or meditating. These activities offer delayed rewards. If you study today, you don't see immediate academic success. If you exercise today, you don't instantly develop six-pack abs. If you meditate today, you don't immediately feel all the benefits. But social media? It delivers instant pleasure, instant entertainment, and instant dopamine hits. This is precisely why developing good habits feels difficult, while maintaining bad habits feels effortless. Social media tricks your brain into choosing temporary pleasure over long-term success. The system is designed to control you. By now, you understand that social media addiction is real, and it's not entirely your fault. Teams of brilliant engineers, psychologists, and data scientists work tirelessly to ensure you remain addicted. Think about it. When you watch one video, the algorithm immediately suggests another similar one. When you like a post, the app shows you more content just like it. When you scroll through TikTok or Instagram Reels, the next video loads automatically. You don't even need to click. These applications are specifically designed to capture and control your attention. Their profit depends on it, but it comes at the cost of your time, energy, focus, and real life slowly slipping away. How to break free. Your action plan. Now for the crucial question. How do you escape? How do you break free from this digital prison? Don't worry, I'll show you exactly how. Step 1. Recognize the trap. The first step to breaking free is understanding that social media is designed to keep you trapped. These companies don't want you using their apps for just 10 minutes. They want you there for hours. The longer you stay, the more money they make from advertising. What do you lose in the process? Your dreams, your future, your life. Before picking up your phone, ask yourself one simple question. Am I using social media, or is social media using me? If the answer is that social media is controlling you, it's time for a change. Step 2. Turn off notifications. Consider how many times your phone buzzes throughout the day. New messages, new comments, someone liked your post. Every notification fragments your attention. Research shows that once your focus is interrupted, it takes a full 23 minutes to fully concentrate again. If you want to reclaim control of your life, do this right now. Go to your phone settings and disable notifications for Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. You don't need to know about every like, every comment, or every new video the moment it happens. This single step can save you hours every day. Step 3. Use the 5-second rule. Most people don't even realize when they reach for their phones. Their hands move automatically. Here's a simple technique. Whenever you feel the urge to check social media, count backward in your mind. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then ask yourself, do I really need to open this app, or is this just a habit? Most of the time, you'll realize you don't actually need to use it. Step 4. Set time limits. Remember, the average person spends 7 hours daily on their phone. That's 210 hours monthly, which equals 87 full days annually. Imagine what you could accomplish with that time. Learn a new skill, start a business, or travel the world. Set a clear daily time limit for social media. For example, decide you'll use social media for only 30 minutes each day. Set a timer, and when it goes off, close the app. Use app blocking software to automatically prevent access once you've reached your limit. Step 5. Replace digital time with real-life activities. Most people use social media because they're bored. The solution? Fill your life with meaningful real-world activities. Go outside, take walks, visit parks, or travel to new places. Read books. Gain knowledge instead of mindlessly scrolling. Learn something new. Pick up a language, cooking, music, or any skill that interests you. Connect with real people. Call friends, spend quality time with family. Exercise. Move your body and feel instantly better. The more real-life activities you engage in, the less you'll crave social media. Step 6. Make your phone less appealing. Do you know why you constantly check your phone? Because it looks exciting and colorful. Let's make it boring. Set your screen to black and white. Colorful apps are designed to grab your attention. Move social media apps to a hidden folder so you don't see them immediately. Log out after every use to make reopening more difficult. These small changes reduce temptation and help you control your usage. Step 7. Try a 7-day social media detox. If you really want to experience how much better life can be without social media, try this challenge. Delete all social media apps for 7 days. For 1 week, focus entirely on real life. Spend time with family, work toward your goals, sleep better, read more, exercise, and enjoy the world around you. After 7 days, you'll feel happier, calmer, and more focused. You'll realize you never needed social media as much as you thought. Take back your life. Your time is your most valuable asset. Social media companies want to steal it, but now you know the truth. Let me ask you something profound. If today were your last day on Earth, would you be happy with how you spent your time? Would you be proud that you spent hours scrolling through Instagram, watching TikTok videos, and checking likes and comments? Or would you wish you had done something more meaningful? This is your life, And here's the scary part. Time doesn't wait for anyone. Every second you waste on social media is a second you'll never get back. A tale of two friends. Let me share a story about two best friends, Alex and Ryan. Alex was always glued to his phone, while Ryan decided to quit social media and focus on his goals. Fast forward 5 years. Alex remained in the same place. No progress, no success, just more wasted time. Ryan, however, had built a successful career, traveled to different countries, and was living an amazing life. Why the difference? Ryan understood that time is precious. Alex wasted his time thinking he had plenty of it, but time is like sand slipping through your fingers. If you don't use it wisely, one day you'll wake up and realize it's gone. Do the math. Take out your phone right now. Go to Settings, then Screen Time, and check how many hours you spend on social media daily. Let's say it's 5 hours. Here's the math. 5 hours daily equals 35 hours weekly. 35 hours weekly equals 140 hours monthly. 140 hours monthly equals 1,680 hours annually. That's 70 full days of your life wasted every year. What if I told you that in 70 days, you could learn a new skill, start a business, become fluent in English, get in the best shape of your life, or completely transform your future? But instead, many people choose to waste this precious time on social media. Your future depends on today's choices. Do you ever feel like you're not making progress in life? You want to achieve your dreams but feel stuck? You want success but don't know how to get there? You want to change but nothing seems to happen? The truth is, your phone is stealing your future. Every hour spent on social media equals one less hour to change your life. If you don't change your habits today, then 5 years from now, you'll still be in the same place wondering why your life never improved. Imagine a different life. Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine waking up without immediately reaching for your phone. Picture yourself with clear goals, genuine motivation, and laser-sharp focus. Envision spending time learning, growing, and building a meaningful future. Imagine living a life where you don't feel controlled by notifications, likes, and comments. This life is absolutely possible, but only if you take action. Your choice. At the end of the day, you have two choices. Choice 1, keep wasting time on social media. Keep scrolling endlessly. Keep feeling unmotivated. Keep living the same unfulfilling life. Choice 2, take control of your life. Delete unnecessary apps. Start using your time wisely. Work on your goals, dreams, and future. The choice is 100% yours. The questions you'll ask yourself. One day, you'll look back at your life and ask yourself these questions. Did I truly live my life, or did I just scroll through it? Did I chase my dreams, or did I waste time watching others live theirs? Did I make the most of my time, or did I let social media steal it from me? The time to change is now, not tomorrow, not next week, not someday, right now. Your next step. So what will you do today? Will you continue wasting your precious time, or will you start building the life you truly want? I challenge you to comment below. What action will you take today to break free from social media addiction? Let's take control of our lives before it's too late. Your future self will thank you for the decision you make right now.